In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Google form question font and text style. So if you want to change the font and text size of the questions and answers on the form, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go up to the top and select the little painter's icon that says Customize Theme. Go ahead and select that. And on the right side underneath text style, you can adjust the question text theme as well as for the question and the answer, and you can adjust the size of the questions as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.